Good morning, everyone. Well, it's not going to rain all day today, but it is likely that at some point you're going to see some rain. I think most of us are going to catch multiple rounds of rain. Let's start with the morning commute. The best chance of rain is going to be the eastern part of the area, so Omaha, Council Bluffs, Nebraska City. The farther west you live, the less likely it is that you'll see rain for the morning commute. Got to mention the chance for everyone, but the best chance in the eastern part of the area. This is the area of widespread rain that's sliding off to our east. But for the rest of the day, we're going to be in the scattered showers zone. So notice at 11 a.m. there are gaps in the activity, but showers will be around. And it actually looks like there'll be a little bit of an uptick as we get into the afternoon as a cold front approaches. But at 2 o'clock, no cold front just yet. So temperatures above normal still. By the way, got to mention also, though this is mostly going to be shower activity today, ahead of this cold front with these temperatures above normal, can't rule out a couple of thunderstorms. Like mostly showers, but do have to mention the chance for a couple of thunderstorms, no severe storms though. And I do think we're going to see warmer temperatures in the south, cooler temperatures in the north. So highs mainly in the mid 40s in the northern part of the area, then an area of upper 40s. But in the southern part of the area, if you're in Hebron, Beatrice, Falls City, looks like highs will reach the low 50s. Do have to mention though, not feeling quite this warm because it is going to get windy this afternoon, gusts around 30 miles per hour. So this is 2 o'clock, and then keep an eye on temperatures as we jump ahead to 5 o'clock, particularly in the western part of the area, because this is the cold front coming in. So look at those temperatures coming down. Look at the 30s showing up in Grand Island, Hastings, and very few will still be in the 50s in southeast Nebraska by the time we get to 5 o'clock. But along the front itself, it doesn't look like there's going to be much rain. It looks like most of the activity is going to be ahead of the cold front. So 5 o'clock, homebound commute. I'll mention the chance of rain, but right now looking like more are going to be dry than seeing rain. Just some isolated showers left at this point. The best chance in the northeastern part of the area. And by the time we get to 8 o'clock, it looks like a period where it'll be completely dry in southeast Nebraska with those temperatures continuing to drop. Now, lots of 30s showing up. So how cold is it going to get tonight? Actually, not too bad when you consider that normally we start the day this time of year in the low 20s. Tomorrow, 7 a.m., still technically above normal. Most of us in the mid to upper 20s, maybe some still around 30 degrees. The problem for tomorrow is don't look for temperatures to rise very much because this cold air mass is still going to be settling in over us, and there's going to be a lot of cloud cover, so our temperatures are not going to rise very much. I do have to mention that starting again late tonight, very late tonight, early tomorrow morning, the chance for a few snow flurries coming back. Now, I think most of us are still going to be dry. Early tomorrow morning, the better chance of snow is going to be to our north, but I'll mention the most northern part of the area, maybe a few snow flurries around early tomorrow morning, but does not look like much is going to be going on during the morning hours. It's mostly just going to be cloudy skies, but I do think there's a little bit better opportunity of seeing some flurries as we get into the afternoon. Notice at 3 o'clock, a little bit more blue, but not much, and I do think it's still just going to be in the northern part of the area in the early and mid-afternoon hours. By the way, these are our high temperatures tomorrow, not as warm as today. I think mid-30s is the best we're going to do, and some might get stuck in the low 30s and not feeling this warm. Not as much wind as today, but still breezy. Gusts around 25 miles per hour. 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, notice a little bit more blue still. At this point, I'll finally bring back a chance for some isolated snow showers for York, Lincoln, Nebraska City. And I do think we'll continue to see a little bit more of an uptick in the snow shower activity as we go through Wednesday night, but it never looks like it's going to be widespread snow.